Welcome everyone. This is DW301 Basic Electronics. Let us continue our discussion on electronics. In the previous lecture, we discussed about a few systems in which the electronic equipments were used as a core of the system. As a common example, we discussed about the public address system in which the amplifier was the core of the system. In a public address system, we provide sound signal as a input signal to some transducer, and that transducer converts that sound signal into the electrical domain, and then the amplifier comes to the picture, and the amplifier amplifies the electrical signal, which could be a current or voltage, and then again that electrical signal is converted back to the sound with the help of some reverse transducer. Here we have used microphone as a transducer and loudspeaker as a reverse transducer. And as a industrial system, we discussed about the temperature control system in which the comparator and the controller were the core of the system, because the comparator provides the essential inputs to the controller, and on the basis of that input the controller decides the final action, whether it should move the wiper to the left or to the right. If the error is 0, then the controller will not move the wiper at all. And if the temperature which is being measured by this temperature sensor is less than the set point, then definitely the controller will take the action according to that. It will move the wiper to the right. And at the last point of the previous lecture, we also discussed about some large systems which we use a huge which use a huge amount of electronics, like Mangalyaan or Chandrayaan, or we have seen the solar cells which we are using in bulk now. Those solar cells are the products of the semiconductor technology. So those solar cells are also the electronic equipments. Okay, so before going to the semiconductor physics, which is our unit 1, I think it will be a good idea to develop a historical perspective about the electronics. So in the next few slides, we will see some of the historical development of the electronics, and then we will conclude this session. Okay.